Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today in this quick video and I will show you how to create a digital magazine on Canva. So guys, let's get started. Open your Canva website and on the search bar on Canva search for magazine template, and after that you find different templates. As you can see here guys, up to 10,000 template, and choose any one for your business or work. For example, this is a digital magazine, and click customize this template. So guys, wait to loading this template. As you can see here, you have 13 page of this template, and you can edit this template or if you want to edit this template, just write, for example, your business here, for example, marketing, and for example, this is your title. You can edit it and you can write here anyone. You can change the color from here, and you can make any color you want to, and write here your official website, your own website from here, and write your name from here. Your name, just click 2 times on your mouse and write your name. And if you want to upload image or something like this, you can upload any image, and you can zoom in on this template, and you can edit it successfully. You can change their date, years, for example 2025, and this is, you can customize all this template guys, as you can see here. After that, you can download this template from here. Download as form PNG or anyone to want to download. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys, down below in the comment, and right from here guys, this page you can add your content of this magazine from here. Just delete and rewrite your text from your content.